Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust exposure in Photoshop. First, make sure you have Photoshop open and your image loaded. Go to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Adjustments and then click on Exposure. This will open the Exposure Adjustment panel. In the Exposure panel, you will see three sliders: Exposure, Offset, and Gamma Correction. Exposure. This controls the overall brightness of your image. Drag the slider to the right to increase the exposure and make the image brighter. Drag it to the left to decrease the exposure and make the image darker. Offset. This adjusts the midtones of your image. Moving the slider to the right will darken the midtones, and moving it to the left will lighten them. Gamma Correction. This adjusts the contrast of the midtones without affecting the shadows and highlights as much. Moving the slider to the right will decrease the contrast, and moving it to the left will increase the contrast. Adjust the sliders until you are satisfied with the exposure of your image. You can preview the changes in real time as you adjust the sliders. Once you are happy with the adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. You can also turn down the brightness and contrast of the image. Again, go to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Adjustments and then click on Brightness and Contrast. Set the brightness and contrast of your image according to your liking. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the exposure of your image in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.